I reported a couple weeks back about those white pallets from Prism View that I thought was going to be the Oculus. That's incorrect. The Oculus is currently being built inside of the stadium, and it's looking pretty nice so far. So these Prism View pallets are what they are actually are it's called a fascia or display ribbons. Those smaller, more narrow little electric message boards you'll see in stadiums. They'll flash like scores or different types of messages, that sort of thing. So that's what those are. They're currently still staged right now, waiting to be installed in the stadium. I haven't seen anything like that as of yet. We've got some more landscaping coming along off of Prairie here. See all these cool new trees. Hopefully they'll grow tall and strong. Panels over on this side coming along pretty well. You can see a little bit of transparency there. Some of the perforation on those panels, which will allow for a little bit of airflow. There's a truck here making another delivery of some more plants. Some more landscaping in this median area on these sides as this further develops. See some more roadway work going on here. Another entry point into the stadium. Offices continue to rise up. The weatherproofing continues up on the southern tip section of the stadium over the performance venue. And looking about the same. Looks like some precast for the performance venue seating. Overall look, if you are looking towards the west, at the Getty Center Museum. It was spared by the fires, so you can see that beyond the Forum and the stadium.